Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to copy effects on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to open the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You can see you can find the video that have uses the effects. In this video you can see the effect honey is being used. You have to click on the effect. By using this effect you can see different videos. You have to click on this use this effect. After that this effect will appear in front of you. You tap on this button. The video will start in front of you. After that you have to save that video. If you are eager to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and score exclusive coupons spanning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadget to beauty essential, then watch the video you are seeing on end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.